Hi, my name is Aymara. This right here is Ryan. And these are cute dogs, Kobe and Onyx. A few months ago, we went on this amazing trip to Montana and we fell in love with nature. As soon as we got back to Florida, we decided to go and buy an RV. We invite you to come along our crazy adventures, chasing our destiny. Today we are headed to Picayune State Forest. It is located in Naples, Florida, near the Everglades. It is a small campground and there's not much to do, but we're gonna make the best out of it. So Ryan has his little setup here. We're gonna make some burgers.
Hello.
Now this is how you really camp. It's probably not the healthiest, but it's okay.
Alright, I gotta take them burgers off before they end up chopped meat.
They look burnt. So we forgot the buns. So hot dog buns it is. Guys, so we are actually getting ready to go. We spent half the day here. We tested out the trailer. Everything was fine. And that's good. But we actually came here because we wanted to go trail riding. We wanted to take our motorcycles out, our little bike, or dirt bikes I think they're called. I don't know what they're called actually. But we can't go riding here. If not, we'll get a ticket. So we're gonna go home and we have a whole bunch of trails home and that's gonna be fun. So stay tuned because that's coming up next.
Good.
Oh my god, Ryan just fell. we just got back home. We are obviously covered in, what is this called? These little spiky things.
So Mara's gonna spend the rest of 4 hours cleaning her throat and then mine. That's why we gotta go.
Peace. Bye.